Hello, I'm in a 2016 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, we'll start the vehicle. We'll be doing this through the Uconnect settings. So once it's on, you'll push this phone, and then we'll be following some voice commands here in just a moment.
Uconnect phone ready. Available options are call, dial, recent calls, SMS. Setup or tutorial.
Uconnect settings.
One of the following: device pairing, confirmation. Select audio device, language, instance, SMS incoming message announcement, training or reset.
Device pairing.
Pair a device, delete a device, or list available options. Delete a device or list paired devices.
Pair a device.
Refer to www.u list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say
Pair a device.
please
Pair a device.
pin 8. Is this correct?
No.
Please
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Is this correct?
Yes.
The device after the beep.
Clay. Clay.
Adding.
Clay.
Is this correct?
Yes.
1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1.
Priority 1 is already occupied by... Would you like to override?
Yes.
See device manual for instructions.
Okay, so it should be in pairing now. Once this should say something like Uconnect in a moment. Sorry, the voice kept cutting in and out. There's something wrong with this Jeep. Normally it doesn't cut in and out, but I already knew what I needed to say so I could get through this. So pairing, and then it's going to link up that pin you just made up. It could be any numbers. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Pair. Alright, so now it's connected, so now you can take calls and things like that through the car. Some models you can also listen to music. And then it sounded like there's another device already saved, so sometimes you might need to delete other devices to make room for new devices to be added. Hopefully yours doesn't have this voice cutting in and out thing, because that's impossible to hear the options. But again, once you get to the Uconnect settings, after hitting this button, you should typically just listen to the questions it asks, and then obviously indicate that you want to go to the pairing mode and pair a new phone. But that's it. And sometimes vehicles require to be parked for these options to work, just as a safety feature. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.